Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and we're gonna do a quick, easy, to the point work look, or if you're just gonna run a quick errand. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I have this palette that I've had for like literally, I don't know, like months, and I've never used it. So today we're gonna give her a go, and this is the Royalty palette from Glamlight, and she looks like so. Just pretty, basic colors. And ignore this, I actually drop a curling iron on my forehead, so yeah, that's where we are with that. So we're just gonna go ahead, already prime my lid with my P. Louise base, and we're just gonna go to town. And then this is the T12, which is perfect. And I think I'm gonna go with Plumpy, which is this shade right here first. And that's the darkest shade in the palette, yeah. Nice quick look every day. You want a big fluffy brush to do that because I want it nicely blended. If you have like really big eyelid or eyelid space, you may want to go in with even a bigger brush, maybe a highlighter brush. I don't have a lot of lid space, so we're just gonna go with this. She's so pretty. I know I'm stamping. I just kind of want to darken up my outer V a little bit. Today's actually New Year's Eve or Old Year's Night, or Old Year's Day, pretty much what you guys want to call it. It's, the last day of the year. What are you guys doing? I'm not working today, I'm just chilling. I'm just, again, darkening my outer V a little bit. But if you want, you don't have to go too smoky, because I know, some people don't like that. They just want it to be nice and simple, so you could leave it like this. I want to go a little bit heavier, because I want this to be smoky a little bit, not too much. Because remember, we're trying to keep this look simple. Simple, decimal, simple. I know that word is like not really in my vocab, but I'm trying. This is a pencil brush, a 217 from Luxie. Just gonna put a little bit of glue here, like so. And I'm gonna use this actually. This is a 208 from Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna use 3 shades. I'm gonna use Empower, Royalty, and Glamour. What is this notification I'm getting? Oh no, I don't know where it's coming from. So first we're gonna go into Empower. Oh, this is not giving what I want it to give. Oh my god, this is like so, this is not even showing up. Okay, so Empower is not empowering me to do anything. And I even put on some glue, but I don't know what it's doing. Like, look at this. You can't tell if I have anything there. I'm like trying to build it up, guys, but it is not. Okay. I am gonna use my Morphe spray. Let's give her a little spritzer here, because she ain't giving. I mean, this still is terrible. Okay, so this is the worst experience I've had with Glam-like shadows. Like, usually they're so good. But this shade is not doing anything for me. Okay, let me try my finger. Yeah, it's just not doing it. We'll see if that other shade does anything. So we're gonna go into Royalty. I'm just gonna put that right here. Like so. I don't know, man. This is just not the business. And I'm gonna go back into the dark shade or that first shade and just put it out here. This is not doing anything for me. This is from Bodyography, and I'm gonna go into Glamour, which was that really light shade. Let's see. Okay. This is giving a little bit something. That first shade, man, that first shimmer shade was like terrible. Yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyes are done, and nobody can tell me this is not simple. Like, this is so simple. It's just a couple shades. So yeah, so we're good to go. Today I'm gonna mix my Hourglass Vanish foundation with my Nars Pure Radiant Tint. I don't like that Nars one by itself, and this I feel like it's like a tad bit too orange for me. So we're gonna mix it. My little mixer right here, and then I'm gonna put some of the Nars, and we're gonna mix it up. You know, we're gonna do like a little Frankenstein foundation. Why am I getting all these notifications? Usually that's like turned off. I don't know what's going on with this. Just blend that with my flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo. Man, I love to sneeze, like, it's like my thing. I don't know. But when I had surgery, I did not want to sneeze or laugh. I'm trying to cover my little, you know, situation that I have here. I usually burn my forehead once every couple of years. I haven't been doing it because a lot of the wigs I've been using have been headband wigs, or I prep them before I put them on my head, but this one is not a headband wig. I had to actually lay it down, so yeah. Man, I haven't used this concealer in like forever. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars. I like this concealer, but I wish it had a little bit more coverage, and that could be why I don't use it as much. You know, this comes at almost $30, so I might as well use it, right? Okay, let that simmer down a little bit. So let's use my Fashion Fear foundation stick in Walnut, but I'm going to use it for contour. I'm gonna use my 405 from Makeup by Yolondo, my F405, and we're just gonna blend this. I'm trying to like blend this out the last, because I feel like I'm not getting enough coverage. So you can still see this. I don't know, man. I don't know what I was thinking. It's not bad. I just prefer a little bit more coverage. But I achieved that, I guess, by just leaving it lay down a little bit. Because if I do it like right after, then I don't get enough. But this is definitely one of the concealers you can do that with, because it's like creamy and it doesn't dry down very quickly, I guess. Okay, let's go ahead and set under the eye. I'm gonna use this for Makeup by Yolondo. Which shade is this? Honey. I look funny. Let's go under the eye and nope. I need to set my face first. We're ready to go. I'm actually gonna go to the mall. I need to find a pot. Okay. Now that's, you know, I made a fool out of myself with this singing. Let's go ahead and just, you know, I like putting a different color. Let's do something different. This is a Y215, but I need a bright shadow. Is this green gonna do it? Yes, this green might do it. I'm gonna use this green here from behind the dark, behind the mask. Oh my god. I don't know. I wish it's a different green. I wish I had a teal. I'm sure I have a teal like somewhere there. I can't find it till I want it, and then I'll be like, oh, here it is. I tell you, I'm not gonna find one. Not today. Till I don't want it. Till I don't want it. Okay, so clearly I'm not gonna find a teal. So this is gonna stay like this. I don't like this. Oh, I'm gonna put some of this on here, which is Reef from bPerfect. Stacey Marie. Oh, I feel like that will help. Yep, that's better. Much better. Okay, let's dust that off. I'm just gonna put that light shade that I put kind of up over top on that purple or that first shimmer shade, because it was not the business. So we're gonna go into this shade right here called Glamour with this shade, and I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner. Dust off that powder. And let's go into Tropical light to medium from Makeup by Yolondo. First, I'm going to go into this middle shade right here. That's what I'm going to use to bronze. You know, since we can't be on vacation for the whole winter, we have to, you know, make it look like we're in the Caribbean. And we just have to, you know, bronze to the gods. Okay. Now I'm going to go into this brush, and I'm going to go just take like a little dab of this, not too much, because you know. Well, I think this been like not recording forever. Just in case if I missed it, I'm using Mood from Dose of Colors and Nabla from More Fetish from Nabla. So I have a little bit of like my lipstick going over, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. So a little bit of concealer, or actually this is primer, eye primer. And I just put it on a really small brush. And now I'm gonna take this one. I'm just gonna like kind of mute it a little bit. I'm only gonna put it in like the center. That is it. Let's spray up the face using our Morphe continuous mist. Where's my fan? I don't even know what that is. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. As I say, I know this look is simple. It is simple. So yeah, that's it for this video. I had fun, doing this nice, simple, soft glam look that you can use for work or just, a day or a time. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.